All right, we just finished our snowshoeing hike of the day. We did about 4 kilometers today. And as we got further into the trail, it was actually beneficial to have the snowshoes. So Andy was right. It's also a lot of fun.
Say as per usual.
Fine, as per usual. Anyway, that's about all the snowshoeing we're probably going to do today. I think we're gonna head back to our campsite now, change out of our clothes because they're probably a little bit damp, and chill out a bit. Maybe get a fire going.
Definitely.
Definitely get a fire going. All right, let's go.
Okay, so it is cold, and what we were going to cook this time around they're not soupy. So Tia and I were just like, oh my god, we wish we had thought of and brought some soup stuff, and lo and behold,
4 Patriots to the rescue.
Yay! So this time we're gonna try the fireside stew cooked in our men's grill pot.
Men grills.
Men grills? I can never get that right. Men grills pot. But yeah.
Just a reminder on these too, if you haven't seen the video, these are actually emergency food packs that you can use for emergencies.
Right here. Let me make sure we are zoomed in on this guy. Boom. Freedom and self-reliance.
But we like to use them for in the van. We always pack a couple of these meals when we go camping, just in case something happens to our fridge or to our food, or just in case we need something else to eat.
All right, so honestly, these are awesome. They taste amazing. We have a video up there. I can't remember. Up there, where we tried a bunch of their foods, and then we would put a link down below if you are interested. But enough talking.
Let's get cooking.
Correct.
Andy has designated me the fire master today, which means I get to take care of the fire. I think I got a pretty good fire going. Our water is now boiling. There's steam shooting out of the pot. Andy's grabbing the gloves so we can start making our fireside chili, or fireside stew from 4 Patriots. I don't know why he's laughing at me. What's so funny? I am the master of the fire.
I had dubbed you the fire master.
I'd say that water's boiling. Okay, what's our instructions?
Okay. Okay. Open the pouch. Remove the oxygen absorber. Whisk contents into 10 cups of boiling water. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes and reduce heat for 25. So basically, I'm gonna go get a spoon. I'm gonna chuck it in there without the oxygen absorber and then stir it up because we don't have a whisk.
I'm sorry, Andy. Can you just repeat what you said to me?
Yes. So on the way here, T and I had a thing, had a little row, as our UK friends would say. we had a thing saying, all right, we're gonna check the van and see if there's a cast iron in there, because I insisted that there wasn't, and she's like, are you crazy? You must be getting old.
This guy told me, let me just interject here. He tried to convince me that we have never had a cast iron in the van.
Not never, just right now we don't.
No,
just right now we don't.
He said that we drove all the way to BC and back with no cast iron in the van. We literally have not taken that cast iron out of the van since we built the van.
Anyways, so she gets to laugh at me.
He digresses.
Got it.
Oh yeah.
Smells amazing. About 30 minutes, and since Tia is the fire master today, I am head chef. So not much of a stew, would put a lot more water in there than was recommended, but I had a little taste and it is delicious. So look at all that good stuff. I definitely put a bit more water in there. So, you know, you would need to put some salt, but it's fine. We didn't bring any. I forgot. Shame. It's amazing. Thank you for Patriots. Hey, donkey.
Yo. So, we put out the fire because it's getting chilly. And now we're in the van. It's a disaster in here because winter van life requires a few more things than summer van life.
You were cut off halfway.
That's okay.
You were like, here.
Yeah. So, yeah, we've got our heater running. I've got my comfy on.
Look, it's 10 degrees now. When we came in, it was minus something.
There's a minus on that.
There is no minus on that. Listen. Okay. That is how hot, like how hot it's going. See, look, if I do the low, it goes to 1. And then now I go high again. So it's not a minus, it's all I'm getting at.
Okay, so we're just sitting by the heater warming up. The other thing we've done is we really need to replace the seals on this door.
You were halfway again.
I know. We really need to replace the seals on our doors. So this time we brought moving blankets with us to block out some of the cold air that gets in.
Oh yeah, look at that. Halfway up and the blinds will get down.
You can actually still feel a draft coming in though.
You can. But it's already a whole load better.
Yeah. Whew.
Winter van life. And honestly, like, this black thing also makes a huge difference too. In the front, you can feel that it's dramatically colder than in the back. It's crazy. Crazy. The cold is crazy. And this is after Tia's dad made fun of me so much for insulating the walls.
You shoved so much insulation in there.
But was it worth it?
Yeah, I guess. We didn't anticipate actually using the van in the winter when we first built it.
Yes, I did. She kept saying no.
It's pretty cold. You're cutting me off.
There you go. Much better. Anyways, we'll see how it happens, but we're probably just gonna chill in here for a good while.
Maybe take a nap, read a book.
Yeah.
Good morning. Oh my goodness.
It's still super dark.
I'm gonna open the front too, don't worry.
Good morning. Last night on TNND, we came back inside and lay down, and we pretty much look like this for the rest of the night.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about...
Okay, grab this. I'm gonna open the back window too.
Okay. So, I'll wait for Andy here. Okay, so this camping trip, if you guys had seen our community post, you would have saw that I was planning to sleep in a tent and Andy was planning to sleep in the van.
Because I said she was crazy.
So last night ended up being, I think it was like the Weather Network said it felt like almost minus 30, like it was like minus 27. And my sleeping bag is not technically rated for that kind of temperature.
What do you mean technically? It absolutely is not.
I mean, I've used it in the winter before, definitely on a night, not on a night that cold. So we made the executive decision to not pitch the tent and not try and sleep outside because it's not the right gear for it. But we will still be sharing and making a tips for winter tent camping video with everything that we have learned from winter tent camping. One of those tips being make sure you have the proper gear.
Don't sleep outside if you're going to freeze your toes off.
Yeah, don't want to lose any toes or fingers. So yeah, like Andy said, we basically came in the van and it ended up being a no promises night. We kind of just lazied out, hung out, read a book, played some games, chatted, made some food.
We made some food?
We made sandwiches.
Oh yeah, true.
Slept, woke up, slept some more.
Right. So now that you're all caught up, I do want to share one thing, and that is one of these like van life reality things. You know those videos that you see where people wake up, they're like, duh. Yeah, no, I don't think so. Our breaths stink.
Yeah, your breath is really bad.
So we're gonna wrap this up and I'm gonna go brush my teeth.
Our plan for today is just to do a little more hiking and exploring of the park in the winter, and then we're going to go get gas and head home. It was a short camping trip, shorter than we normally have, but
it's actually not too bad.
Not too bad. Still had a good time.